It comes as no surprise that technology changes faster than people change vehicles. The rate of how fast things change is insane. Do you remember when the very first iPhone was released? It was June 29th, 2007. 2007. Now think about how many times the original design has been improved and updated. It's the same thing with our remote start kits. We are constantly improving and updating our products to make them more reliable, easy to install, and just an overall better product for you, our customer. In the world of technology, things don't stay the same for too long. And because of this, we are super excited to announce the Support Hub section of our website. When we insert installation instructions into thousands of remote start kits, we are taking a gamble that nothing will change from the time we stock our shelves to the time you receive your kit. This gamble has proven to not always side in our favor. We had to figure out a better way for our customers to always have the most up-to-date installation and programming information at their fingertips. And with our Support Hub, our customers can have just that. Within our Support Hub, you will find PDFs that you can view or print, super detailed installation videos, troubleshooting tips, and my most favorite of all, a wiring harness overview video for every single remote start kit that we offer. Clay goes over each wiring harness in detail so you know exactly how and where to install it. I highly recommend watching the wiring harness overview video as soon as you receive your kit. At the bottom of this page, you will see some orbs that will take you to different sections of our website. If you are just getting started with installing your remote start kit, then you'd want to click on the Remote Start Kit orb. You will then navigate through until you get to the guides and videos for your vehicle. Some installations may require to use more than one orb to complete your installation. For example, if you're installing one of our remote start kits along with long-range remotes, you would first use the Remote Start Kit orb and then go back and use the long-range remote orb. We greatly appreciate your support and patience as we continue to add new product, applications, information, and videos to our Support Hub. If you see something that doesn't look quite right, please feel free to contact using the tab at the top of the screen.